Hello everyone, welcome back to the Music Lounge. I'm your host Tatenda Special, and to my far right is
Zeph, and I am also your co-host coming in today in the Music Lounge.
You said that like you're not sure about your name, but it's fine, it's okay. Welcome back to the Music Lounge. Here we're going to be sharing, we're going to have people from all walks of life sharing about their experiences with hymns, with songs, be it using their voices, using instruments, whatever it is, but we're here for music. That's basically what we're here for. So, before we start, Zeph, I wanted to ask you something. Okay, so do you know the names of the hymns in the hymn book? The names, not kuti hymn number, chi. If I'm to ask you right now.
Some of them.
Okay, let's start with, can you give me 3? And then what's about it's hymn number 2, Inonzi. Jesus is coming again.
My number, but nearer my God to thee. That's one name.
Wait, but okay, how do I know? Because let me check. What's nearer my God to thee? Okay, now this one I think I've heard it before.
Yeah, it's there.
Next.
Wait, Karaineni. Yeah. That's why.
Okay.
I don't know what it's in English. What's it? Karaineni. I don't want to say stay with me because I know that's wrong. So Karaineni and what's this? What else? Trust and obey. Trust and obey. No, I know.
Okay,
trust and obey. And what else? No, the thing is, what happens is, mangoma mukati nozongoziya wakupinda mukati zita racho nogona kukanganwa bishara. But trust and obey. Yeah, that's how.
Okay, I mean, enough. I guess fine.
Why? Okay, you give us.
Exactly.
Tell us some hymnals. Word for word. But you don't see.
Yes, obviously Jesus is coming again.
Yeah.
You're obvious.
Okay.
Which other?
You see, it's not as easy as you thought it would be.
You don't see. You know him, but Ndawana Shamwari.
Inonzi shamwari
kuma youth aiwa kuma
inonzi ndawana
inotonzi ndawana shamwari actually you 139 ndawana shamwari
are you sure
my youth are kutoimba
are you sure
my youth are kutoimba ndawana shamwari I'm telling you
sure
139 ndiyo chai
sure
kozoita iyo yekushaya inonzi chipo ichi because vamwe vari kuimba ndawana shamwari vamwe vari kushaya ndichiri kushaya. Yeah, inonzi iyoyo.
Which one?
Saka ndichiri kushaya.
Aya ndisi.
Saka ndio but I know. Zviri mama aiwa ndiri kuziva.
Wangomudza 3.
Aiwa next time 5. Next time iwe you come with 5 and I come with 5. Manyo one atsina
uchawa. Njana watoziva kuti atisima ino. Zvekuti next time asina masa.
Aiwa but chirifano maziva. Because you know with music the message is in the words. Sisangoziva kuti hymn number 11 ukanzi ndei munhu ari kunze ukazitomboziva kuti muri kungoti hymn number 11 ikumbotaura kuti chi
isusu tiri macongregation howlers tinongodairirawo kana song yangotanga so
no it's fine but next time zvesho 5 ako 5 angu
yabo
manyo 1
uchimaimba futi
kuimba no kuimba kana
kondo program
unozoita kuti tirambe tiri pahimwe yekushaya kuimba hatingamboimba
kuimba tosira TV
exactly atosira our guests saka that's I think that's what the Music Lounge is about. So today we have an amazing guest who's joining us. Muchangozvionera mega muchazvinzwira mega actually kuzvionera nekuzvinzwira mega kuti no you know what aiwa mweya uri kutaura nemunhu
anoimba ere munhu
anoimba
zvekuti totomupinda muspirit zvekutodaro
muchatogara murimo hamutobudi kana akuimbirai aiwa muchagara murimo saka we are going to have our guest coming on. You're all going to see her when she comes. Here she comes. Saka, we have our lovely guest here, our amazing guest. We're going to have her introduce herself. Yeah, go for it.
Hi everyone, I'm Rachel. Ndopindira ku Mulberry Multicultural Church.
Multicultural.
Yes.
Okay.
Is Tina okay? So tell us about yourself, Rachel. Panalier was Bible auntie. I'm got my sisters, nizvani? So panalier kana uchungori yako. Wakangopiwa uri wega kukumba kwenyu. All right. All right. So tell us about yourself. Who is Rachel?
Rachel. Rachel, basically, she is a designer.
A designer.
Yep.
Okay.
What kind of a designer?
I think everything that has to do with designing. I'm a fashion designer, I'm a graphic designer, I'm into, I can just say everything that has to do with designing. Architecture and stuff like that. I can draw, I can do photography, I can do videography.
Saka pana safe watoona uti fashion yacho.
Kana uti murumu mati.
Okay, that's interesting to know. So as a designer, okay, so you actually work as a designer.
Yeah, I'm a creative artist.
You're a creative artist.
Yes.
Okay, so with music and being a creative artist, did you start getting into music because you're a creative artist? Kanoti, you became a creative artist because of music.
I
Which
became
one?
a creative artist.
Because of music. Okay,
yes.
okay. And when did you start your musical journey?
I was born into a family where everyone is a singer. So my father generally is into music, and my brothers, my sisters, everyone just followed through. So like when we were growing up, my father used to teach us how to sing, even how to write music, as in the notes, and actually transpose the music into kisama notes or kubvisa muma anti maimbo kedu makanyorwa shima
itoto.
So he used to teach us how to do that.
Okay.
So yeah, when you grow up, it was just from that point to the next point until you get into the real music.
So to
Yes.
Really?
Interesting.
That's one thing I haven't really mastered.
Not as difficult as it said or as it shows. Or,
Really?
Yeah. If you learn, you get to know kuti. It's actually simple and easy.
I think maybe if we have another episode, you to dedicate
Just for that.
I don't have a problem.
Tell notes because
ndongozoti pati yangu kana ndakuinzwa ndo iyo
ndongoplay kuti doso no.
It's very easy, guys.
Really?
Yeah.
I know, so you'll definitely teach us. Saka, okay. My notes until where you can write.
Yeah.
Saka, are you a composer?
Yeah, I've written a few songs.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you put them out there?
Not yet.
Why not?
I'm working on it.
Oh, you're working on it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
definitely we're going to get something.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, why not just give us
a sample?
Just to prepare us for what's coming.
Okay, let me try this one. Muri shamwari ye chokwadi munotipa zvese tinoda imi muripo hatizombotyi muri shamwari yeidi.
Kunzwa aubhaurese
wadafunga kuti because ndaona smile yako kuti
ndadakirwa
smile aiwa Zeph
What instruments do you play?
A guitar and a keyboard.
Okay.
Saka, you're an all-rounder because you compose, you sing, and you play instruments.
I think you guys, if you were in my position, will testify. Because like everyone around you is musical. If they are not writing, they are composing. If they are not composing, they are playing instruments. So one way or the other, you're pushed to do that.
So do you think if you were not born into a musical family, would you still be a musician?
I wouldn't know.
Okay,
Maybe.
outside of you singing with your family, do you think, do you have any interest, Kanoti? Do you feel most at home? I don't know what do you feel more comfortable
If
singing when
there's
you're
any
with?
place that I would love to be, yeah, that's my happy place. Yeah, music keeps me going.
It keeps you going.
Yeah.
And especially when you're singing with your family.
Not with my family.
Even alone?
Or with anyone.
Really?
Just the fact that I'm singing, yeah, it keeps me going.
That's really nice. I think wabondifungisa kuma Pathfinder we learn, is it Pathfinder law or pledge? I just makore achawandisa, but yokuti keep a song in my heart.
Yes.
Which is the song that's in your heart.
My song. My song is Sitting at the Feet of Jesus.
Sitting at the feet of Jesus.
Yes. I love
Do you
it in
see, Zeph,
English,
why I was
actually.
saying my names are important? Because they are ngokuti him iripa page number 2.
Unaweza kutaura kaliriki something karibu
That's why I was
kati
saying
mu-
what you know the name of the song is. It's very important.
Okay.
It's Sitting at the Feet of Jesus.
Yes.
AMG. Let me
164.
164.
Yes.
Sitting at the Feet of Jesus.
Why did you pick that particular hymn?
Sitting at the feet of Jesus, I think it talks to me in a way. Why? Because I imagine when I'm sitting at my father's lap,
Okay.
there is this comfort that I get. There is peace that I get when I'm with my father. So I imagine if I'm at the feet of Jesus, the experience, I think it will be more amazing than the one that I get at my father's lap. So I imagine how it's going to be when I'm sitting at the feet of Jesus, telling him everything that I've been through, discussing whatever that I want to hear from him. While I think the experience is going to be something else. Okay. So when I imagine the thing while I'm at my father's feet, what I get from him is going to be more than what I'm going to get when I am at my father's feet, which is Jesus.
Which is Jesus.
Yeah.
No, it's a powerful song. I'm looking at it right now. Do you have a favorite stanza in the song?
I love the last part of it.
The last part of it. Okay.
We have a tradition where we always sing together in this room. So we have to do it now.
Hey,
Is that the same one?
164.
164.
And I don't know if I'm going to join you guys.
Oh my
This
gosh.
one?
Please do.
Oh my gosh. Tidaruka palapa.
Ayo, techingona.
164, the last stanza.
Yes.
In English.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I just
But anyway, you may
I might
begin.
not know it fully. So I'll just be. And
I also don't know it.
You know, then I'll just.
No, that's fine. Bless me, oh my Savior, bless me as I'm waiting at thy feet. Oh, look down in love upon me. Let me see thy face so sweet. Give me, Lord, the mind of Jesus. Make me holy as he is. May I prove I've been with Jesus, who is all my righteousness.
I think we should start a group together. I don't know what we would call it, but
What a powerful song.
No, trio or something.
trio.
Yeah.
What's a good
I
name for a
wanna
group?
say fa. I wanna.
Kondereze.
But don't trust me, you don't want to. But
I'm
what-
a
what
very
what a
reliable
powerful
singer.
song.
Ndotoimba nhasi handisunguriwo muzoni chazvasi catch me on a good day.
Yes.
Mutondiisa mustudio kuswera matonakirwa.
No, what a very powerful song. You spoke about how you're imagining yourself, the experience that you get when you're sitting at your earthly father's feet, Auntie, is going to be magnified, amplified. It's going to be way more when you're now sitting at Jesus' feet, Auntie.
Yes.
And especially stanza yoi, Auntie, give me, Lord, the mind of Jesus. Make me holy as He is. Yeah, it's actually touching me right now. Would you say that your experience with God has been made better because of music?
Yes, I can say that more than I can. Why? Because there are times when you. I was at a college where it's a non-Adventist college, right? And then you get to experience different things and you meet different people. So most probably when you're growing up, you are there's a tendency of adapting to whatever that's around you, and you can go astray because you are away from your parents and you're alone. So I think music is the only thing that made me realize I can do what everyone is not doing because I have music. So when everyone was going to the parties and what, I would remain behind at my hostel and I would play my music like the whole night. I was fine with it. So I think music has kept me going. A lot of times I lost a sister during COVID, and that's when I realized Jesus is our only true friend. So there are times when you can lose everything, but music will keep you going.
So hopefully you do justice to this to this wonderful hymnal.
Definitely.
Okay.
She will definitely.
Sitting at the feet of Jesus, oh, what words I hear Him say. Make me holy as He is. May I prove I've been with Jesus, who is all my righteousness. Bless me, oh my Savior, bless me as I'm waiting at Thy feet. Oh, look down in love upon me. Let me see Thy face so sweet. Give me, Lord, the mind of Jesus. Make me holy as He is. May I prove I've been with Jesus, who is all my righteousness.
Everyone, we just got the chance to listen to this wonderful performance. I obviously, when we bring people here, we are under the assumption that they can sing, but yeah, yeah, I really enjoyed that performance. You know, I really did. It really got me in the spirit. I also feel out right. I don't know, Tatenda, what did you think of the performance?
Yeah, no, my sentiments are the same throughout, always. Yeah, the song, especially the song choice, is a very powerful song. And, you know, like she was saying, I think it's actually a song that I'm going to start putting to memory as well, because it seems to be something that you can sing, you know, in whatever situation that you are in, whatever experience. Just that reminder that you're going to be sitting at the feet of Jesus is, yeah, it's everything. So I really enjoyed. You have an amazing voice. You sing so well. God really blessed you. That's your gift. I think
Don't depart me in Shiro. I want to see as a design.
I am extra.
Design. Don't challenge
know.
as child.
I want to know.
So good, I would pay to come and hear you sing. Money.
And
Yeah, so you know, I think I don't want us to add too much to, you know, to what she has already sung for us, because I want us to really digest, you know, even you as our viewers, I want you guys to really digest the song, you know, really put it to heart, put it to memory, listen to it over and over and over again. True. You know, until, yeah, you know, for as long as you can. So yeah, thank you so much, Rachel, for joining us today. I think we had a great time.
I did. I genuinely did. It's good to like have someone who's genuinely so passionate about music the way that you are.
Yeah,
and,
yeah. We had a really great time. I think for that short was my face. I was actually serious. I was such a mama extra my camera. I was actually serious. Yes, I got shocked again. What you about around in my face, and yeah, but thank you so much for being here. May God continue to bless you. May He continue to use you. You know, my musical talents much, but yeah, to our viewers, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to be part of this program, just send a message to the numbers on your screen right now, and yeah, we'll get in touch and see how we can, you know, collaborate and, you know, bring some magic to the musical lounge. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Until next time.
While I from His fullness gather grace and comfort every day. Bless me, oh my Savior.